Hey guys, today I'll be making this standing block since it broke and it is not sold anymore. I also wanted to announce that I will be changing the upload schedule to one video every 2 weeks to improve quality. My initial step was taking some measurements. Since the original block was too big for my print bed, I made the new one a little bit smaller. I went through two iterations when designing this. The first one I designed backwards and the little joints were too thin, which caused them to break almost immediately. While I did not replicate the standing block piece by piece, I did the basic system, and optimized for PLA since it is more brittle than ABS and needs less supports. The standing block is meant to be used with something else, but that was lost a long time ago, and isn't needed, hence the missing hole on the top. I am still learning how to use this software, and this was an amazing learning experience. I learned about a lot of new functions which I didn't know existed and was really helpful. Fusion 360 is free for hobbyists, students, and teachers. You can sign up at the link below. After finishing the first design, I went ahead and printed it. I printed it in 2 parts and it took a total of 12 hours. Sadly, the bottom part and the top part didn't fit because they were inverted. I kept the top the same to save filament, but I modified the bottom. I didn't record this, but I fixed the inversion and thickened the joints since one of them broke when I tried to grab it. I also gave more space in between the two sides since the tolerances were too low and I didn't want to risk it not fitting. This video was uploaded late because as I posted on Instagram my print failed since I forgot to re-level the bed. It was also late because the Google services were down all over. That is it for this week guys. Hope you enjoyed, learned a thing or two, and please feel free to comment any suggestions as I am active in the comment section and will likely respond within 30 minutes. If you hated it, go ahead and dislike, but if you had fun, feel free to like and consider subscribing for more content.